very good day to everyone. In this episode of Our Alumni, Our Pride, we are honored to have with us Mr. Raghavendra Hebbar and Mr. Puneeth. Mr. Raghavendra Hebbar is an alumnus of NMAM Institute of Technology from the Department of Electrical and Electronics from the batch of 1999. He is currently working as an independent consultant. Mr. Puneeth Kumar is also an alumnus of NMAM Institute of Technology from the batch of 2000 of the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. He is currently the Director of Garment Design Private Limited. I am Dhanush Vidi. On behalf of our department, feel privileged to welcome today's distinguished guest. We are honored to have you. Thank you. Firstly, I would like to ask, how does it feel coming back to the campus after so many years? And what was your experience being a student at NMAM?
We feel very, very proud and very honored to come back again to take this seminar. So the college has changed a lot compared to what we seen long back when we were studying. So there is a lot of improvement. The departments have been equipped with modern equipments, and I can see many PCBs designed by students here. I think it's very positive change in the system.
Sir, we would like to add.
Yeah, it is a lot of development from since we left the college. We are very honored to have studied in this industry. It has given lots of technical knowledge, and it helped us in building our engineering career. And coming back was a very sweet memory for me, recollecting all the same corridors which we have roamed around here. Yeah, seeing the development thread.
So, as a student, which subject were you most interested in at our institution?
While studying electrical circuits and control systems, that was my favorite. I got good marks in that also.
Yeah.
But that was the most basic the understanding subjects I was interested in.
Network analysis and control systems were very fundamental subjects, and I think we enjoyed a lot of that. And later on, the power system analysis and studying about the motors, DC motors, AC motors, synchronous motors. All those were very good experience.
Good to know. So you both have quite an impressive background. Sir, what have been your primary focus in IC design, and what do you enjoy the most about it?
I started my career as a designer, so that has been my first job. So I liked it. Also, I worked there. I got an opportunity to work in testing field. So testing is my favorite field in IC design industry. This design testing.
I started my work as a basic layout design engineer, doing analog layouts. So also I started working on some memory cell designs, and later moved to analog circuit designs. So this power management IC design is what is fascinating, and I love working on that.
Sir, I'd like to ask, what is the difference in design of power management IC in comparison to low power ICs?
Those are two different things. So the power management is like, as it said, is managing power. So you have a battery coming to your chip, let's say cell phone, mobile phone, let's say you have battery. So it varies, the supply voltage varies from, let's say, 2.7 volts to 5 volts. So, and for your circuit, you need 1 volts or 1.2 volts accurately regulated supply. So how do you step down economically and efficiently? So that is what is power management. How do you distribute it? Low power is the circuit that you design. So you design a low power circuits, so your battery can last longer. And so those are two different things. Power management is managing the power, and low power is the core circuit design. So there is low power. It is very efficient for the battery.
Thank you for the information, sir. Sir, what skill set have been the most beneficial for you while pursuing the career in the VLSI industry?
Basics, I would say, electronics and electrical basics. Those are the key for understanding any upcoming challenges or new. Everything cannot be taught in college or in books. Sometimes you have to apply the knowledge. The skill set wise, basic understanding, deep understanding of the basics will definitely help in achieving the outcomes.
The things like the Fourier analysis, all these things that we study in mathematics. So those all have application in the circuit design. So basic of RLC circuit, LC circuits. So those are very fundamental things to learn while in the college. And also the control system. So what is stability? How to make a system control, and how to make an oscillator, how to make an amplifier. So all these things are very fundamental things to learn in the college.
Applying the basics to the industry, that's the most needed skill.
What challenges do you face when designing the VLSI chips and how do you overcome?
It's a big answered question. I don't know if I can answer in short, but there is a challenge in every job. The main challenges that we face are like how do we design for low power? Let's say it's a low power, right? So how do we design a circuit for low power? And how do you design it for accurate? Let's say it has to be accurate for a given specification. So how do you design that? And it has to last longer. So how do you make the circuit reliable? So all those are very important things to consider while design.
Having time constraint is the most difficult part of any task. Of course, it industry demands time constraint. Now, we have to get it accurately done to the perfection, near to the perfection, but within that constraint. That's the demand of the job. Also, the working with the team. You need to have one person cannot design the chip, so you have to have a good team, good coordination between the team to get it done.
Team spirit is
Team spirit is exactly. Team spirit is the one thing which will make it easier to practice.
Thank you. How do you think the IC design industry has evolved over the years, and how do you see the future of IC design in the next 5 to 10 years?
It's since I started in 2007, very drastic changes I have seen. We started with 800 nano. Today we are talking about 3 nano, 5 nano, 7 nano, which is a current trend. From 800 nano to I have seen many chips, many technologies developing over the time. This trend will keep continuing, I believe. Also, the method or efficiency of the devices are getting better and better day by day. Now, even the power controller is nearly 98% efficient. This will keep continuing because if demand increases, so those circuits and other things will be reinvented. It will be done in a better way compared to the earlier technologies. Future is always growth.
I think there is a lot of opportunities opening up in India. So I think it's the right time for many companies to come to India and start their operations in India. And same time, it's beneficial for all the student community for India to get into this field. There are, as I said, there will be several subsections of the IC design industry. I'm for sure you'll find it fascinating.
Thank you for your perspective. Sir, can you share particularly any rewarding experience or accomplishments you had as an IC design student?
We designed the circuit while working in induction equipment. We designed some of the cutting edge technology like that. So having seen the first pass silicon was a rewarding experience for me.
Is there any advice you would like to give to the students who are interested to pursue their career in the IC design field?
Deep understanding of the basics and interest in the VLSI industry, particularly the entire process. You can learn one part of it and become expert, but having a thorough understanding, even though fabrication is not in India, learning about entire process, starting from fabrication to specification to the product engineering, will be the advice I will give.
Yeah, you should know all the things of fabrication, like how the chip is made. So what are the things involved in that? Even though if you don't have deep knowledge, it's good to have a superficial knowledge of all the things, and then deep dive into your interest of the things, and then focus on that one. And also, since you have opportunity and you have a faculty who facilitates all this PCB work, I think we should focus on PCB design first, and then so get the clear understanding of circuits, do some analysis of circuits, and so IC design is nothing but a miniature part of the PCB design. So I think get involved with the PCB design first and start doing that. It's a very important thing to do in the college.
I hope the students take a note of it. Lastly, I would like to ask, how did NMMIT help you to reach the high position that you are at?
I will do great contribution in the college as well as my teaching staff and non-teaching staff at that time. Engineering was not the one used to be there then. It was like very rare chances to get to learn engineering at that time. So, having done engineering was my best thing happened to me. And I always cherish it. And college has a bigger role in that.
College helped us in a big way to get into this one. At that time, it was very hard for the students from this college to get into IC design industry.
Get into the college, plus get into complete engineering, get into experience.
IC design industry was very difficult. So I think it was the right time for us to get to the IC design. I think it's through college itself.
Thank you for your information. So thank you for your valuable time, and it was a pleasure conducting the interview with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.